more money go for straight to prison. On course I want to die this radio. So money
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But all this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The NDC Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. No more
money go for straight to prison. On course I want to die this radio. So money appointment of money over to me. We don't be someone anybody. You come feel. I am a crocodile and a so and it's women as Kwameda. What must say? One thing children Koda. I don't have the money to anybody say. Or you may ban, no choice. No, not bonnet. And then say, what you want to say, the person with the palace and the Lanquisa. It's what you want to bonnet band pan yet. Yeah, you tell them to the media houses. I don't know this. What must say? When you know the sounds another day. And it's like a plan for to tell them your bone. Tell them yesterday. Tell them yesterday. Yamako Brahmin said the minister. What Jim Cross so passport? I could be ministry. We cash in so some of the mama back. Someone can give this a mamu. Someone can get day. And what's wearing that good war. Nipana no my business no. On your opportunity, Nipana call US could even one bar. A Kenya party no mean another.
O my home a trio ha. A Jebentina was a banner. As I then I said then about Santa for Bonneban on my NDC. Kasa. No wonder some Musa Danqua rating a buy, you know. Hey, say NDC and what dear was sentimental massa.
Bray and Ninkaso, why? And then 1 year 2 minutes, you won't find your dear mope.
Because as Santafono, we imagine say, Yan to have a MPP, Nancy, who single project. We are Santinia Timmy.
Bray and Ninkaso, why?
NDC, Miena no, NDC are buying, and Miena no, and single project. And this Yababa Trakunyaso, Meratinti, one started, one completely in Ashanti region.
Hey, President Mahama.
Metro challenge. Fine John. Bisa Fine John say, single project buying in Ashanti region. And on one is also from one who are they, Ninyansam, no innovative, and to a Timmy Pages who we are completely ya. Say, Maka say, oh, prisoner.
A quiet John.
Now, what are MPP ni? Sentiment on Ayana, but with your mamma, me, and I'm here say, and to mean Kotwaba 2028. Tibia will become.
They scammed everybody, including Nanaya and Kupon and Casacrano.
Uma, maybe I will papa, they will baba, they were here, young to be Shano.
Shania Casa.
Hanzua Tumu, Achiresi, Bolu, Achiresi, checkpoint in the
MPP for. What can't say if no more hope? Oka na nanke etiewa adenti na wo se duru ho na mkasa na nanke etiewa onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we President John Mahama wonya we so onkrofo tu galamsey wonya we say ministries ni bi wo hwan nyoma bi wo ho mu ye ni sedan kwe onte say adwuma ni system ni mu onte President John Mahama onte say adwuma ni system ni mu 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no onte Dear no waka fa ho efa flooding no dear no waka who minister for works and housing what that's what tito e dear be pa no aya wutua nika but all these people are there nkwa no akotwa homem Me so ye president ye be duodum. Na extra na reality ni setina. Udi ayane sa na after 2026 President John Dramani ma papa. Udi ayane say ya na after 2026 Ghana fo nya wie pa. Ni ewura 2027 na. Obeka say nya Ghana fo ne toma no. Udi market on the one me say Udi ayane say ya ni ndada prince prima Mahama is a hope Mahama ye adwuma mafu soldiers ne nguso ankamfo mankrofo nya se wo ye adwuma me se ma ye wie 2026 na ye wie 2026 pa obeti because abre no na ye politics sa abre no obi pa watu sa abre no na ase edu nketia ne Julius ne Professor Alabi mu ne nabusiafo o ma hye ase na no obonsa afei o tumi na ase e chekofom na chekofom a afei na nkofo bebusa se adwuma na aka so de be ma ye wehi enyoma na wo ka sa wo be ye no e wehi over 14.1 million people nkofo mabu na omunya adwuma anye no o ye den
atofose na ye atofose ye no a o ka so oni evidence o asam na o ka no oni evidence but na nia bere because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama bia mu atofose that number 1 enti mame ka bibia be ma atofose ho aye hi aden ti mu ade mu ye mu hu nti ya mamo in a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amu aban mu mate mu ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamo someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa abonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make kind say the power of our tomb someone ni mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa otwam utimi na ni wani hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat you have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama who is the president of the land Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic kakra bi president na mu ati akonwa so kra ya chat no respond e to da friend no krofa and the ministers yi any appointees yi o friend say tie ni as a business wo wiase nyina ya de aso awo mo and attention hunu kwa no mo kreti amu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho and ya na ha me no and you mo ye ni nyina e total disrespect to the president the president wo ho na wo interest bi kra nti wontimi hide ne kakrampo supporters su kra nti mi hide ebi wa ha ka me wo ma da kubi out of any job beka but it's like air overshadow amamwo na was e koso no and people have relaxed and no money am brain no mati free no mo ya de omo pe hey masa
mo je na da no si mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo ad Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e de na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yema mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom another African country to go and cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say, hospitals and they go and no say. It is a Kenyan who say, no man in Abaya. It is a scan of Canada was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrifice, discard to what the hospitals, and most of my account for. I comfort my facilitator, me on the funded free seniors who some my account for. You say, any Ghana for debut. I find a table's net 10 after the Mokika Mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obian can't to them call. I saw from among common into the also with the greatest of it, among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women on common to them queen now. Obian can't to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Ah, yet the crime will be so on no bar or no the credit scoring system, but I must open conking it. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bia invest kwa ye hen kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same crying. Obi ma credit scoring system also open koko kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open koko kitinkiti. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me go ka che John Dramani ma say all members come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E de John Dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. And I got for so okay, but to abana ma boom 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 boom. Mo to abana ma kenke government a etimi.
Say dey ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region. Na me say film eh Remona Chapa ya hype say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe ne letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff Emanam one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes, Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say the bois.
Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa baby akwakodan. And then Nam one. Yes. Not just say. Was in Ukraine say. State institution we are intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026. Within 4 or 5 months, we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se bar one ne nipa no ni business. And nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Say osusi say nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy, we take omo statement. Ama o grant omo bi omo koi. Wako court, yoko na court o. O court no. What will really the tiao? Say, this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only case. What ferry akona I feel the old defender. I feel also by us say any Mokra made a mempemubium, a Jumara Nankasan Kasan Penachino. We invite ten and our my no issue document say, were you fugitive? Oh, Johnny. Tango. Personal attack as if say, your office one, and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me, Martin, my baby, and Sabia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, I see the member who know. What they very soon who record is ABP. Very soon who record is ABP.
I
and this state institutions are. Oh, On sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya nsori amfe na nsi fo ma